Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is going to be about the stretch tool or icon inside of your tools when you have your shape tool. I'd seen this icon for a while and I could never figure out what was the big deal about it. So let's look at this. I've got a rectangle and I'm going to range and I'm going to convert the rectangle to a curve. And then when I get my shape tool, I can get my nodes. And I've selected those two nodes, but I could never figure out what the stretch tool did, which is right here. Because to me, it didn't do anything different than you could move it with when it's a rectangle. But this is what's so neat about it. If you will select those two nodes and then go up to hit stretch and hold down your shift key while moving this, it's going to move both those nodes out or in symmetrically. That's a pretty neat deal. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.